Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome to another installment of my basement build project. And as you can see from the last time I made a video, there's a lot that's happened. I've got a little bit of ceiling grid installed. All of the trim is done. There just needs to be some painting left on trim. Everything is done in my bathroom except for the toilet being mounted and trim painting. But this is the vanity that I've installed with the mirror and light fixture. There's a fan here. And then this is my stall shower, which is all fully functional. I'm just gonna use a shower curtain for now. I still need to figure out a cabinet door for this section here. Not really a big priority to me. I also need to do the ceiling on this side. I'm just going slowly. And then also I need to attach my exhaust fan for the bathroom to the outside somehow. So I'm gonna have to drill a hole in my brick and through the joists. And then I've also got some lighting that's gonna go in the ceiling here, controlled by a switch right here for this little alcove area. So yeah, that's progress that I've made. Ceiling grid, this is the first time I've ever done ceiling grid. It goes in pretty quick. Just make sure you draw a good picture, make sure it all measures out. Actually, here's my drawing, which I made in a program. So just make sure you measure it out and make sure you get enough pieces for all the sections and whatnot. So almost done. Hit that thumbs up. Stay tuned for more later. See ya.